Tanya online class grade 9 in which we have been studying math unit number 1 real number. So you know that we have been started in our previous lecture exercise 1.1 in which today we have been discuss question number 2. That's a value to be given and how to simplify that. So let's start our today lecture in a question number 2. They say that simplify the following. Question number 1, 81 by 16. That's a power of full bracket is minus 3 by 4. When you have a bracket of a both values, that's we are considered that it's mean that the value is to be a both of this 21 by 16. That's the value is to be set into be a negative form. When you have firstly we have changed this form into a positive 16 by 21 3 by 4. When you have convert this value denominator come to denominator and denominator come to denominator, it's mean that that's a 3 by 4 negative signs to be a change into a positive sign. But this value is not to be a change. Only the values of this brackets to be a change and signs to be a change. When you have take a LCM of 16 like that, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2 ones are 2. That's the power is made to us की power 4. 2s की power 4. Like as 81 have a power of 3, 4. Like that 21, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3 and 9, 1, 3, 3 the 3 ones are 3. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4. That 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 की power 4, 3 की power 4. Bracket and us की power 3 by 4. Then you have is equal to 2 by 3, 4 multiply 3 by 4 and 3 multiply 4 multiply by 3. So when you have 4 cut by 4 because they are multiplication sign and that's a divided sign. So the 2 is the power of 3. Then have a 4 cut by 4, the 3 is the power of 3. So when you have multiply 2 with a 3 times of 2, 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4 2s are 8. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the answer is equal to 8 by 27. Question number 2. Minus 3 by 4 minus 2 divided by 4 by 9 to the power 3 multiply by 16 by 24. So students, you know that when you have a negative sign, you have been converted denominator to denominator, that the signs come to a positive. 4 by 3 is equal to 0 divided by 4 की power 3, 9 की power 3 multiply 16 की power 27. So 2 square, 3 square multiply. Then when you have convert this sign of multiplication, 9 go to denominator and 4 will come to denominator. Because 3 is the power of 9, 3 3 is the 9, 2 2 is the 4. That's the power of 3 multiplied by 4 square, 3 cube. So it means that 4 square multiply 4 minus 3 because that when you have a divided sign is to be a multiply, it means that minus 3 multiply 4 as the power 2 multiply minus 3 का square multiply 6 then multiply minus 3 square cut by square, that we have a minus 1 plus minus minus 1 1 minus 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 1 multiply 3 is the power 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 4 की power 1 multiply 3 की power 1 3 4 is 12. So the answer is equal to 12. Then a question number 4, they say that square root of the full bracket x की 14 multiply y की 21 multiply z 35 by y 14 z 37. When you have moved this square roots to be a minus 1 by 7, that we say you that the value is to be a square root minus 1 by 3. X 14 multiply y 21 minus. So firstly you have brought this value, that's be a positive to be a negative. When you have subtracted x 14, the other value of x is not be a given. Then the y is equal to 21. Y is equal to minus 14 because that you have brought this value into a denominator side, that's a positive side signs to convert into a multiplication. Multiply z to the power 35 multiply z to the power minus 3 bracket 1 minus 1 by 7. 14x same multiply y 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. Then 37 minus 7 is equal to 28. 10 is the power 7 by 7. 17 7 1 is 7 7 4 is 14. You have removed this sign minus 1 by 7. You have multiplied by this by power, that's the numerator and denominator cut to each other. So all the students complete your classwork, do your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.